What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and remember OPPO's F11 Pro, that premium mid-range smartphone with that pop-up selfie camera? Well, now they have it in this Avengers Endgame limited edition. For specs, it's exactly the same as the standard F11 Pro. The only difference here is in design. So, looking at the back, you get OPPO's signature 3D glass, which ergonomically makes this 6.53-inch phone a joy to hold. But instead of Thunder Black or Aurora Green, you get this Avengers theme. And honestly, is it an Avengers phone? I mean, you do get the Avengers insignia, kind of cropped here on the side, but this blue theme is very reminiscent of Captain America, which I think has been in the marketing material, right? Joey says it was. So yeah, you get this awesome hexagonal scales here at the back, and that's very reminiscent of what's gonna happen to Captain America's costume in Endgame. And that's pretty dope. Aside from that, on the camera module, you do get an Avengers insignia up here too. And aside from that, you do get a highlighted red power button with that green OPPO accent right there, you know, signature OPPO. So yeah, and you also do get on the lower left side of the phone some Marvel licensing.
So you know it's legit!
Exactly. So this in itself is a collector's edition product. So who is this device for, you might be wondering? Well, the OPPO F11 Pro has great design, good performance, a great set of cameras, and that FOOC 3 supercharging is just amazing. And not to mention flagship features like this pop-up selfie camera. Would you just look at that? It's just so satisfying. Look at that. Oof. And you can get all of this at a mid-range price. So yeah. But who is this Avengers limited edition device for? Well, it's for the standard collectors who like the collector edition phones and stuff like that. If you're a collector or a fan of the MCU and you're looking for a device with all of that and this amazing Avengers theme and I guess Avengers wallpaper that won't Hulk smash that budget. So this device is priced at 19,990 pesos and is available for pre-order starting April 26 at OPPO stores nationwide. And if you do decide to pre-order this thing, it should get to you around May. So yeah, what are you guys waiting for? Why don't you cop this thing if you're true Marvel fans? Ooh, triggered! Alright, so that was the OPPO F11 Pro Marvel's Avengers Endgame Limited Edition. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and let's go get that son of a bitch. Ah?